Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a very fun video about slimes. It is very interesting for kids and like an anti-stress toy which relaxes us of many anger. It is stretchy and squishy and good. Most of the time they put the slime inside the squishies, and when we cut the squishies we get slime only for some, and some are filled with sand. So leave out squishies. Right now we are in slime topic. This is my first video of doing slimes. So this is homemade slime. I just added glue plus some shaving cream and it turned out to be a perfect slime. I'm very happy. I was just wearing a simple slime trial and it turned out to be like this. So just thinking to do this first video of the slime. Now I can't show you to make slime because right now no shaving cream, we got shaving gel. Shaving gel doesn't make a slime, remember that. And shaving foam is for making the slime fluffy, not for making slime, remember that. So first I got my cute Mickey Mouse box, which is actually very cute with these little Mickey ears and the Mickey Mouse face, which actually looks yes. Okay, move on to the next. We got our superhero theme, which is actually a superhero. Look, we got like Superman, Batman, Flash, Green Lantern and Flash. So we got all the four of the heroes, so not all of them. Four. We got Ip Man, Iron Man, and many other mans. So leave those mans and let's start the slime work. So I'm gonna keep the sticker colors on there. Just as sleek. And my Mickey Mouse. Oops. It is from Joyful Disney. Gracias. Now let's move on to opening this. So let's open our head of the Mickey. So sorry Mickey for opening your head. First we can see one popping out one thing like a Kit Kat popping thing. Look at that. The Kit Kat vegetarian green thing. Let's just take it out and see. So it is actually a Kit Kat box that we got. It says Son color flavor, sorry. And let's open and take a look at the Son flavor. Inside we got a cool looking colored slime. It's like the same color of the outer package. Oops, it's not coming out, especially in these large boxes. It is difficult to take a slime. Oop, you got it. So we got a cool looking like turquoise. Yeah, I got the color name, turquoise piece. This turquoise piece is very cool and very beautiful, but in the video it looks like a blue color. So let's just stretch this turquoise piece. Wow, oops, it's broken. So look at that turquoise piece. It's very awesome and very cool. This turquoise piece is very good. So we're gonna keep it in the display. Next up we got one package slime of white color. So let's open it and see. So this is white color. It is made with certain white glue. It is very stretchy. Oops. Next we got 2 more boxes left. So this one has got a penguin on the top. Let's open the box. We got a like greenish color slime, which is very light. Emerald color. Oops. It's breaking fastly, but no problem. It's good. Next up, we got our last slime that is in pink one, and we got a meow on the top, which is a cat. And we got inside a sandal color slime. Just take a look at that. Stretchy, comfortable, and nice to play. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you'll subscribe this and click on the notification bell to see more videos and smash on that like button. Bye. Oh, you have